In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a SKU to Shopify. This full guide is perfect for anyone looking to efficiently manage their product inventory by integrating stock keeping units into your Shopify store. SKUs, or stock keeping units, play an essential role in keeping your inventory organized and allowing for smooth tracking of your products. Let's go through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is your command center, where you can manage everything from products to website design and beyond. Now, from your home page, your next step is to click on Products located on the sidebar. Once there, you'll see a button that says Add Product toward the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. This button is key to adding any new items to your inventory, and it opens up a blank product page where you can input all the important details about the product you're introducing to your store. Once the new product page opens, you'll see various fields where you can enter information about your product, such as its title, description, and pricing. Scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Inventory. Within this section is where you'll find the SKU field. The SKU, or stock keeping unit, is crucial for distinguishing your product from the rest and for tracking inventory internally, so give it some thought. Make sure to consider a system for your SKUs. Some businesses choose numbers, others alphanumeric combinations, but whatever you decide, it should help you identify the product quickly. Click on the SKU field and enter your desired SKU number or code. This number can be a model number, a custom code you've created, or whatever makes sense for your inventory management approach. Remember, this is a key piece of data that will help you manage your stock effectively. Next, double-check the information you've entered before you save. This is a moment to ensure all details are accurate because having consistent and correct SKUs helps maintain order as your inventory grows. Once you're satisfied with all the entered details, simply click the Save button, usually found at the top or bottom of the page. Congratulations, you've successfully added a SKU to a product. As a final note, while entering SKUs might seem like a little task, it's fundamental to keeping your inventory organized, especially as your business expands. Keeping a consistent format across all your products will save you a headache in future management. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Shopify.